What's up everybody, it's Your Name from Travel 40. And let me tell you, I am pumped for this one because we are about to dive headfirst into the heart and soul of Australia, a city that's got it all, Brisbane. If you're planning a trip down under, you better believe Brisbane needs to be on your radar. From stunning skylines to hidden laneway gems, we're about to break it all down, so buckle up because this is your ultimate Brisbane travel guide. Alright, let's talk Brisbane. This isn't just some sleepy Aussie town, alright? This place is a melting pot of energy, a collision of urban cool and natural beauty. The vibe here is electric, the people are some of the friendliest you'll ever meet, and the weather? Forget about it. Sunshine is practically Brisbane's middle name. But there's more to this city than just good vibes. We're talking world-class art, food that will blow your mind, and adventures around every corner. Seriously, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or you just want to soak in the good vibes, Brisbane has got something for you. Trust me, this city is a hidden gem, and I'm going to show you why. First up, let's hit up South Bank. This place is like the heart and soul of Brisbane, a sprawling oasis right on the river. Imagine this, lush parklands, a man-made beach, yeah, you heard that right, a beach in the city, and enough cafes and restaurants to satisfy every craving imaginable. But, hold up, it gets better. South Bank is also a cultural hub, home to the Queensland Art Gallery and the Gallery of Modern Art, two spots that'll blow your mind even if you're not an art buff. We're talking cutting-edge exhibitions, mind-bending installations, the whole shebang. This is where you come to escape the city buzz, recharge, and soak in some seriously good vibes. Okay, adrenaline junkies, this one's for you. If you want to see Brisbane from a whole new perspective, and I mean literally a whole new perspective, you have got to do the Storybridge Adventure Climb. Picture this, you're harnessed up, scaling the iconic Story Bridge, the wind whipping through your hair, the entire city sprawled out beneath you like a breathtaking panorama. Trust me, the views are unlike anything you've ever seen. This isn't just a tourist trap, it's a rite of passage, a chance to push your limits and experience Brisbane in all its glory. But be warned, this one's not for the faint of heart. Alright, let's be real for a second. You can't come to Australia without getting up close and personal with some of its most iconic residents. And no, I'm not talking about the blokes down at the pub, I'm talking about koalas. Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary is where it's at, people. It's the world's largest koala sanctuary, and it's basically a haven for all things adorable. We're talking koalas, kangaroos, wombats, Tasmanian devils. The whole crew is here. You can cuddle a koala, feed a kangaroo, and learn all about Australia's incredible wildlife. It's an experience you won't find anywhere else, and it's guaranteed to melt your heart, even if you're a tough cookie like me. Okay, after all that excitement, you're probably craving a little peace and quiet, right? Well, look no further than the Brisbane Botanic Gardens, a green oasis nestled right in the heart of the city. We're talking lush rainforests, serene Japanese gardens, a tropical dome that'll transport you to another world. It's basically paradise found. Take a stroll along the winding paths, escape the city buzz, and let the tranquility of nature work its magic. This is the perfect place to relax, recharge, and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Trust me, a visit to the Brisbane Botanic Gardens is good for the soul. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to conquering Brisbane. This city stole my heart, and I know it will steal yours too. From the vibrant culture to the stunning natural beauty, Brisbane is a city that has it all. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure you won't forget. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments where you want to explore next.